To create a GoalSaver account with Commonwealth Bank, the process is relatively straightforward. Begin by visiting the website at commonwealth.com.au/banking/GoalSaver, where you will be directed to a page with an Open Online Now button. Clicking this button will prompt you to fill out your personal details, after which your GoalSaver account will be created. However, prior to applying, ensure you meet the necessary criteria. You must be at least 18 years old, and the account must be opened in your name for personal use only. There is no minimum balance required to open the account, but you will need an Australian residential address and must provide your tax residency details. You may also be asked to provide your tax file number or Australian business number. If you wish to open a joint account, you will need to visit a branch in person with the other account holder. Once you have completed these steps, your GoalSaver bank account with Commonwealth Bank will be established. Less than EOT_ID greater than